Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to backup contact number to Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who still save your contact number to internal storage, so from now on you have to back up your contact number to Google Drive so that your contact number will more secure and safe. Alright guys, so yeah, for backup your contact number to Google Drive, so the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to contact menu, and then now you can click three dots and go to settings, and then after that now you can export contact, and now you can export contact to internal storage by exporting to the file. And after that, here now you can go to Google Drive on your cell phone, and then you can click upload, and now you can upload the file of your contact so that it will be backed up easily. And if you want to import it, now you can click, and then the number will import to your cell phone. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.